everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the South Indian classic yogurt rice or curd rice. But obviously this is going to be a vegan version, so let's get cooking. For making this yogurt rice, we want some slightly overcooked rice, to which we have added a little extra water to bring it to an almost mushy consistency. To this, I'm going to add some vegan yogurt, and I'm going to salt this dish and give this all a good mix. I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to start on our tempering. To start with the tempering, I'm taking a pan here on high heat, to which I've added a teaspoon of sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, as long as it's flavorless. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and I'm going to wait for it to splutter. Now that my mustard seeds are spluttering, I'm going to add a dried red chili broken into two to release its flavors, around 5 to 6 curry leaves. I'm going to mix all of this till the curry leaves get a little toasty, which should take around 5 seconds. I'm also adding a teaspoon of white lentils or urad dal, and I'm going to cook till it turns golden brown in color, which should take around 10 to 15 seconds. That looks great, and now it's time to switch off our element and pour this yummy tempering on our yogurt rice that we made earlier. I'm going to garnish with some pomegranate seeds and cilantro for some extra freshness. And that's the finished dish. So that was my vegan yogurt rice. You can feel free to use any vegan yogurt of your choice. This is a super quick all-in-one emergency meal for those days where you don't have the time to put together an elaborate lunch or dinner. This dish has a huge nostalgia factor for me because it's a South Indian. We usually end all of our meals with a bowl of cool yogurt rice. So let me know in the comments if you tried out this recipe, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you another time with another dish. Bye!